Hey there. So here's how to export your content once it's generated in Continent Scale. So I'm in the post inside the editor. Over here on the right in the filter by section, I'm going to click publish. I'm going to unclick that section. So all I see are the publish options. Now, if we have the WordPress plugin set up on a website, that will sync right here and we can actually schedule it to WordPress straight from here. To get to that, you go into the project itself, integrations, and you download the WordPress plugin. It'll turn green once you activate it with the code that you need to connect that straight to your site. So you'll see those steps to follow. You just download the plugin, upload it to the backend of your WordPress, and then activate it. So if we want to export just as a Google Doc and keep all the formatting like it is here, you can do that. Here's how easy it is. So you click export, you can download it straight as a Word doc. You can save as a Google Doc. That's the one I like to do. All right. And there it is with all the formatting. So from here, I can take this straight to, a client, my website, even wherever it needs to go, guest blog, etc. But that is how to export from our editor.